and then cue the intro. So I'm gonna send it.
I like it. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the NFT Crypto Crew. It's your boy Gig. I'm here in studio with Tyler. We got a market update. Solana market update.
Big update, guys. Oh my goodness. What a great we've been waiting. We've been in a bear market.
Are you guys bullish on Solana right now?
Oh my god.
I'm bullish on it. Guys, Solana up.
Oh man, that was a long time coming.
This is the 30-day chart on Solana, up to $133. 8% on the day.
I remember when it was in the both sub 80s, or it was like close to whatever it was. I was like, this is not looking good, guys.
It looks like 79.
Yeah.
A mere few weeks ago, Solana's down at $80, and a lot of the people I talked to, kind of just felt that can't go. Can it go any lower?
No, I will. At some point, it's not gonna.
Yeah.
It's almost like it was.
Mm-hmm.
It will almost like you felt like it was the bottom. I mean, whether it was or not.
Yeah, you
felt it.
You can kind of just once you've been in the market for a while, you can kind of just feel like it's been going down for so long. I mean, we've been trickling down since like November.
Yeah.
And I definitely picked up some Solana over the past couple months, under $100.
That's a good point. I didn't even do that to invest. I was doing it for NFTs. It didn't happen to be that I was just
it just happened to like
align with the bottom. Yeah.
Sometimes you see pumps in the coins and people sell their NFTs to try to chase the pumps. You see that sometimes. I think it's generally more of a thing on like Ethereum. Because this time around, we're seeing Sol pump, but we're also seeing NFT prices pump as well.
Yeah, which is exciting because it's almost like a double pleasure here.
Mm-hmm.
You have the Sol who's pumping, and then along with that, the NFT Sol price is pumping as well.
Yeah,
it's like a double go for it.
It's like a leverage bet on Solana.
That's the perfect way to describe it.
It's like you're putting your money in Solana and then into an NFT project in hopes that both prices go up, which has been happening for some of these projects. So, like, for example, here, the Foxes. 2 weeks ago, they were 9 Sol, and Sol was like $90, give or take. So the Fox is $800 or so.
About.
Yeah. About now, Solana's 130, and the Foxes are at almost 20 Sol.
Yeah. Call it like
$2,500.
Yeah, 2,500, 2,600, something like that. Yeah.
So
dang, that was not only an increase in Sol. If you just had maintained the floor of 9, that would have been your Sol already. The price would have maintained it. You would have already gone up because of the price of Sol.
Yeah.
Now include the price of the NFT going up with Sol.
Yeah.
And Sol going up. It's like a double your pleasure, double your fun.
That's why NFTs are so fun, because it's like
you
can like make a lot of money or lose a lot of money like really quick.
And I don't know about you, Gig, but when I look at the price, I don't even actually convert it to USD. I always think about it in terms of
because like my goal and a lot of my peers' goal is to accumulate Solana, accumulate more crypto.
Yeah,
because we're here for the longer run. But really cool to see these projects moving up with the market. Obviously Bitcoin leads the charge, but Solana's been really following it and moving even more. So Fox is doing well. Another one I like, Soul Gods, up to 20 Solana now. I mean, these were like...
were they like a month ago, do you know?
A month ago, they were probably, 5, 6 Sol, give or take. Doing really well. Really cool art. Really good team. Cool community, Another one.
Oh, this is a big boy coming
big
up.
pumper, Degen Apes.
Ooh,
jumped from the 40s all the way up to 90. I think they hit 100.
Imagine snagging the 40 Sol, $80 a pops Solana piece for that. That would be, what is that? Like it's $3,200.
Yep.
And now today, call it 100 to make it easy. It's a little bit less, obviously, but just to make it math easy,
10 grand or so.
13, about 10 grand, we'll call it.
Yeah.
Dang.
Yeah, a little over like So this is, you can learn the market. You can tell that if it's a good, solid project and the market's just kind of taking a hit and it's kind of low, you can kind of sense that it might be a good time to buy. The sentiment's down and a lot of people aren't really happy when it's going down, but sometimes it's a really good buying opportunity because if the project's there, the team's working, they're going to be there for the long run. It's a great long-term play. Then
completely agree. I mean, just the opportunity cost, depending on your income and everything. But if it's not that much, why not just throw it in NFTs? Because it's in a bear market, it goes to zero. Okay, don't put a lot in there if you're too worried about that. But the potential's so high. I mean, you just saw there's the other day the $2.5 billion volume at OpenSea per month.
Yeah,
that's just the beginning. A few months ago it was at 150 million. Now it's at 2.5 billion a month. So
exactly.
It just goes to show we're at the very the beginning of this.
Yeah, more money flowing in by the month, more volume, more liquidity, and if you get, if you do your due diligence and your research, and you get into a project that you have faith in, and that they're not like Degen Apes, for example, they're not going anywhere.
No,
they're not going to go. We haven't seen them go below 30 Sol since mint, basically. So. Yeah. You see it down at 40, you go, wow, that's a pretty good price for a Degen Ape right now. Solana's down, apes are down. And if you did that, you lucked out, guys. Another big hitter here, Geckos, from 5 Sol up to 4. They went all the way up to like 18.
Yeah, and they had all that stuff happen with the DAO and all that, but I'm glad to see it's finally working out for them.
I actually, I picked a few nice Geckos up in this range because, they have a really good community. The DAO's working hard. I see some Geckos that I really like, and that's, I think are worth much more than what they were listed for. So
and you're not talking about floor geckos either. You're talking about like rares or just different attributes that people like.
Yeah, I mean, people were very uncertain, and if uncertainty and when there's blood in the street, sometimes it's a good time to buy. And people are like, they're not sure where the project's going. Look, they want to sell me their all get for cheap. They want to sell me a cheap neon. I'll take it off your hands, guys. No problem. 480 black. Really cool. Another one. Oh, these went parabolic. D-Gods. I don't have the full chart here, but these were, these a month ago.
It was a doozy.
These were, I saw these for like 6, 7, 8 Sol.
Oh my goodness.
Not more than 5 or 6 weeks ago, probably. So, really good, a lot of people flooding in to the NFT market when this, when more liquidity is flowing in to Bitcoin and some of the coins, Solana especially. So it's awesome.
When there's blood in the streets, we all know what to do.
Yeah, guys, really cool pump. Good thing. Solana looks strong. A lot of these cool NFT projects look really strong here. Thanks for watching, folks. NFT Crypto Crew. Check us out on Twitter. Check me out, Geck with Gig. More content coming for you guys. Appreciate the support.
Bullish.
Bullish.
So bullish.
Very bullish.